Today's look was created by Violet Voss Vibes palette and Manny MUA's palette. If you haven't tried these, you're missing out. Starting off with the Vibes palette in the color Awesome. I'm taking the Manny MUA palette and using Dust Cloud and Nova to cover the lid. Guys, I'm using the Morphe M124. It's a flat brush. Just pat that neutral color. Alright guys, I'm going back with my Morphe M506 brush. I'm gonna go back to my Violet Voss. We're gonna use the color boombox right there. Color boombox. I'm just gonna apply it just right up to the middle, just right there. It's pretty awesome, pretty awesome. My other pencil brush, the Morphe M560, and I'm gonna go back to Manny and use the Nova highlighter to highlight the inner corner, and I'm gonna take that all the way to halfway to the middle. I'm gonna go back and take my M321 brush and I'm gonna go back to boombox and we're gonna apply it. We're gonna apply it to the lower lid. I mean, like, I'm obsessed with makeup, so I like do makeup all the time. Like, I put makeup on. Like, if I ain't going nowhere, I don't care. I love makeup. Plus, it's good practice. If you want to try some new looks, you get better as you like try new things, then it gets better. Like, I'm so craving some coffee right now. I need to drink coffee. I'm trying to stop like drinking coffee, but it's hard. I'm gonna go back with the same brush. I'm gonna use Manny's Magenta. I'm gonna use Manny's Magenta right there. That's pretty. Pretty. And we put it right at the outer corner and just go over my crease just a little bit. Then we're gonna take it halfway. Like, what has been like you guys' favorite look, like that you've ever seen and you're like, man, I want to try that, like, but I'm scared. Like, I'm scared to try it because it's like too dramatic or whatever. Well, you know what, just try it. Like, when you're at home by yourself, or like if you're not gonna go out and you're like afraid of like having other people look at you that day, like thinking, oh, being afraid of being judged. Just do it when you're home and you're like, I'm not gonna do nothing, so might as well try it, right? Just try it. Just try it. Live your life. Live it. You only have one. So live it up, girl. Let's put that Nova in the middle. Okay, I'm going back with my 506. Gonna take the boombox. I'm gonna take the boombox again and middle. I'm gonna take my contourist. I am gonna contour with the nutmeg. Morphe E22 to my nose. Contour my nose. Oh my gosh, I love these colors. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I didn't know how it was gonna turn out. Dang, girl. Milani Concealer, number 110. Alright guys, I'm using my Eco Tools blush brush, and I'm going to take my Morphe blush. It is the Spirit blush. Just a little bit, just to give it that rosy look. Rosy look. This is a pretty color. Now I got my little fan brush from Eco Tools. Just want to try this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette. It is the C320. It's Catwalk Pink. 4 colors. It's pretty. Pretty highlight. Nose. Highlight the nose. Okay, I'm going to take some of that highlight and then put it right under my eyebrow using my Morphe E37. I got this Rimmel Stay Plumped. This is supposed to like make them plump, right? It gives you this tingly feeling. So it's supposed to like plump your lips.